my first question is from line integral. Question said that to evaluate integration under closed curve C, f vector dot dr vector, where function f vector is equals to is given and C is the curve y is equals to x cube in the xy plane from 1, 1 to 2, 8. Its solution. Let's solve the question. Solution here given. Here f vector is equals to 5x minus 6x square dot plus 2y minus 4x j vector. Here we have f vector is given. We have to find. Let's first find the dr vector, where we have r vector is equals to x I vector plus y j vector. Here value of r depends on the given function. If the function is up to j, value of r also value of r also goes up to j. For example, let's the function is goes up to k. Here the function, if the function is given in this form, then value of r, the value of r becomes x I vector plus y j vector plus k vector. It goes up to k vector. K vector will be added. Now we can find dr vector. Dr vector is equals to I vector dx plus j vector dy. Now we can find, let's first find f vector dot dr vector. F vector dot dr vector is equals to f vector is 5xy minus x square. J vector and r dr vector dot dx plus dy. Now let's simply multiply it. I into I. 5xy minus 6x square. I into I dx plus 2y minus 4x j into j1 and dy. We have find f vector dot dr vector. Now here the curve, question of curve is given, y is equals to x cube, also y is equals to x cube. Simply differentiate it. dy by dx is equals to dx cube dx. Dy is equals to 3x square dx. this equation helps to this equation helps to find the let's find vector dr. So now we can find x vector dr vector. Here f vector dot dr vector is equals to integration 5xy minus 6x square dx plus 2y minus 4x dy. Now we cannot integrate these parts. This 5xy 5xy dx, and let's change it in the form of x form. See, 5 where y is equals to x cube. This equation helps to change the form so that we can integrate it easily. We cannot integrate simply 5xy dx. How to integrate? It's impossible to integrate. So by changing it into x form, we can easily integrate. So this equation helps to change the form so that we can integrate it easily. Let's here given y is equals to x cube. Y equals to x cube this is minus 6x square. Don't have to change this x square. Plus let's change this part to 2 where y is equals to x cube minus 4x. Dy is equals to here dy is equals to 3x square dx. This equation helps to change the form so that we can integrate it easily. Here we have changed it into x form. Here the limit for x is, here the lower limit is here the lower limit is 1. Let's this limit, lower limit is 1 and upper limit is 2. X, this is x. This is for x and y. Here we have changed it in the form of x. So we have taken the limit of x. X1, lower limit is x1 and upper limit is 2. Let's solve it. Equation to bracket 5x power 4 minus 6x square dx plus 2x cube minus, let's multiply it, 3 to the 6, 3 plus 2 is equals to 5, equals to 5, 4 3 is a 12, x cube dx equals to 1. keep remember that to put limit we have changed this in x form. Then we have there x comma y 1 comma 1, and for x comma y 2 comma 8 2 comma 2 comma 8 we have changed it into x form. Then we have to take the points from x. Here lower limit is 1, where we have taken 1, and here upper limit is 2. Here 2. If we change it into y form, then we have to take the y point. Equation 2 5xy minus dx is equals to x dx minus 1 to 6x square dx plus integration 2 to 6x power 5 dx minus integration 12x cube non dx. It's integrated, comes 5x power 5 limit 1 to limit goes to 1 to 2 minus 6 3x cube is to 1 to 2, limit goes from 1 to 2, 6 by 6 x power 6 to 1 to minus 12 x power 1. Minus 4 3 is 12 x power 4, it goes from 1 to 2, is equals to 2 power 5 minus 1 minus 2 into 2 minus 2 plus 6 1 minus 3 is equals to, by solving you will get for this 31 minus this, for this 14 plus for this 63 for this 45. Our answer will be 35. Let's go through our solution. Here you just have to first find f vector dot dr vector. You can put r vector, you can put r, the value of r vector, and just find first f vector dot dr vector. After finding f vector dot dr vector, just look at the equation which helps to change in single, which helps to change in single term. By the help of this equation, you can change it into single term and just put the limit, which you have changed in x form or y form. Just check it from here and put the limit. Here we have left bracket we have left. Just solve it, and after that you just integrate, and finally you'll get your answer. Thank you for watching this video.